Good morning again, everyone. It's great to talk to you again today. We want to talk a little bit of history today. How did people know when it was time to go to school, especially little children, before we had electronics? Now our bell rings at the school and it's an electronic bell. And when I was going to school, the bell would ring and it was a bell sound, but it was still electronic. But before that, how did people know how to ring the bell? Well, what they did, they actually rang a bell. They rang a bell just like this one. This is an official school bell. Believe it or not, I went to Washington, D.C. one time, and while I was there for the program, they gave every one of us a school bell. This is an official school bell. So the teacher would come out of the school and go out into the schoolyard, into the playground, and ring the bell. And then that was how everyone knew that it was time to come in and start learning and go to school. So each day, ring your bell, make sure that you're ready to learn. As we always say at Corinth Elementary School, be respectful, be responsible, and be ready to learn. Have a great day.